Hello, partner. I want to tell you about my family. On the right is my dad. He is called Victor Blanco. He is 56 years old and he is very handsome. As you can see the photo, he is taller than my mom and my sister Paola. He is shorter than my Alejandro brother, who is to the left of the photo. He is the tall of all and all the time, so much that we call the flaco. My other brother is called Juan David Blanco. He is 28-year old. He is taller than my sister Paola and my mother Miriam Romero. But they is shorter and thinner than my brother-in-law Andres Tovar. He is the one who took the picture. He is 38 years old and he is shorter and shorter thinner than my husband Manuel Sanchez, my niece Gabriela taller than my nephew Javier. In the first line in the photo, you can see my nephew Camila and Alejandra. Also my eldest daughter Daniela. Camilo is taller than Daniela and Alejandra. Daniela is thinner than Camilo and Alejandra. Alejandra is shorter than Daniela and Camilo. I am taller than my sister and my mother, but I am shorter than my husband. My oldest daughter is called Daniela. She is 6 years old and she is very beautiful. She is taller and thinner than my youngest daughter Antonella. Antonella is 4 years old. She is thicker than Daniela. She has longer hair than Daniela. She is more younger than Daniela. Both are shorter and thinner than me. Thank you.